you're not picking up, I'm not giving up so easily, so easily. Yes, you did me wrong, but what's done is done. So talk to me, so talk to me.
I know y'all gonna think I'm wrong for this, but I ain't wrong for this. I ain't wrong for this. What the hell? I went and spent money here. I'm allowed to park there. I don't need it, but I can park there. What up, y'all? It is Tuesday, vlog 23, and man, it is, you know what? It's raining, but we need it, man. We ain't had no rain in a while, and so I had to take care of something. And I know yesterday I said nothing, no days off with the trading, but I mean, I've got my plays in. Eddie's back in the office at his place doing his deal. I'm out on the road. I'm in my other office this morning. I had to take care of something. I got a doctor's appointment today too. We're going to find out some things. I don't know. We'll see how that goes. And then other than that, man, let's try to make some money before then. You know, it used to be when it rained money. But right now, it ain't raining shit. Right? Let's get this money.
Maybe time will heal, maybe time will heal us now. Tell me how you feel, maybe we can build trust now.
All right, so we did a couple of rides, got me back south. So we did 2 rides, 2387, both of them X rides. So we got 2 of the 7 rides knocked out right now. And so we will go home and get something to eat. It's 11:30, man. I'm really surprised I didn't get better rides. I did get a couple of more X requests, but they just weren't worth it. One of them was $2.62 for like 10 minutes. Not gonna do it. Another one was like $7 and change for 28 minutes. Not gonna do it. And then the last one was like just under 14 bucks for 38 minutes. Guys, I'm trying to make 30 bucks an hour out here. That means every 20 minutes is $10. Add them together, pick up, drop off, whatever. You guys know my rule. If it's under 5 minutes to pick up, I'll take the ride. But like some of these rides, and it's raining. It's raining, and there's no surge. None whatsoever. There is no surge on the map, which is freaking ridiculous, right? So what do? Well, we don't take those rides. Go home, we're gonna look at the charts. Eddie made a killer trade. He sent it to me. We were on Restream a little bit. I'm gonna go home and look at it and come back out about 2:30, 3 o'clock. See you then. See you then. All right, so I just got home, and as you can see, there was a big drop in Tesla at the opening bell. It could be for numerous reasons. I haven't figured out the reason yet, but do you see this gray box here? So this blue box here was a big order block, sell buy order area. But this gray block here, if we go back to an hourly, this gray block here was a big gap from way back here. So all it did was drop down and filled that gap. That yellow line there is a support level, 167.78, that's been riding out for a while. So here we are on the 1 hour, right? Tesla's down. And so now we're into this big gap, and we're going to wait to see what happens with the gap. Also with SPY had a nice move this morning, right? Eddie caught all of this, and he was teasing me while I was working. There was a nice big zone right here that developed. Let's change that. Right? Nice big zone into here. Again, see this blue area, like I said on the other side, this is a buy-sell area, right? This was a nice little order block in there from a while ago. So Eddie was able to catch this. He caught the dip back into here. It flagged into the order block, and then it just shot right up. So he made a nice move all the way up. All right, we are out. I went to the doctor. That's all I'm gonna say about that. I'll deal with that later. Anyway, we got 5 rides we got to get. It is 4:15. I am at 89%. I got 1 more percent to go, 90%. I've already got the app turned on though, right? So when I hit 60% charge, I turn on Premier only. When I hit 80%, I turn on Premier and Comfort. And when I get to 90%, I go ahead and throw on the X so I can get these X rides out of the way. And it seems to be working, but with the rain, I don't know. But we're going to get these 5 rides. Maybe we finish around 50, 60 bucks. All right, so we got 2 more rides in now before my time to pick up at 6:30 for another $55. So we're at 80 bucks, $79.33 for 4 trips. Sad part was, and this is, you know, discipline requires sacrifice. Certain things I got to do. I had a $140 Premier ride going from West Palm Beach to Miami Beach as a rematch out of the airport for Uber. And I had to turn it down. Discipline requires sacrifice. But in the end, the discipline pays off. I had no choice. I had to turn it down. It is what it is. We're going to go do our 6:30 deal, and then we'll be back out because I still need 3 more trips tonight. Still need 3 more, and I'll get them. I'm just sitting here thinking, I turned down a $140 trip. Yeah! All right, so we finished the night, 6 trips, $130. I did get 2 more. I would have had the 7th trip in there, but I had to cancel it because I was on the highway and I got a decent little $14 comfort trip. It was going to take about 15 minutes to go to the airport. And then I got almost all the way there, and then something told me check the rider rating. It's a 4.49 rider. So I had to cancel the ride, dude. I don't want the problems, and you shouldn't want the problems either. It's a little bit, you know, suspect that these riders can have these really, really shit ratings and it be all the driver's fault when the drivers, boy, fall below 4.7. See what happens. Yeah. Anyway, that's it for tonight. We're going to wrap this up. Tomorrow's another day. I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. I'm doing some different things in it. We'll see you tomorrow.